responsibly and validate their emotions, fostering strong bonds. Once again, our celebrant for today,
Mrs. Virginia Una.
Anybody could be that
Wow. Ka-pretty talaga.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree.
naging emotional yung mga anak ng ating birthday celebrant. Okay. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, today, we pose an honor Nanay Virginia for an extraordinary 80 years of love, wisdom, and unbreakable family bonds that we touch all so deeply.
At this moment, I would like to request everyone to take your seat. Yes, of course. Oh. Let's hear from the relatives who know her story best as they share their personal messages filled with cherished memories. Please give a big round of applause for Mrs. Leah Onay as she delivers her heartfelt message for the celebrant.
Ikaw na po. Ikaw, siya muna ang mabuo.
Baka mag-iyakan kayo niyan.
Saan ko nakadila ko sa loob?
Go, Kerian.
Happy birthday, Nay. Huwag niyo po kami yan. More years po tago.
Nayak na agad.
Well, thank you so much. Next up, we would like to request Miss Mylene Unay, the daughter-in-law, with her heartfelt message. Sa Ate Mylene na. Auntie, ikaw na. Bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan.
Happy birthday! Salamat sa ulit sa Masaan dyan ka lang sa Pinaglawas? Maraming salamat. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Wow,
Grabe talaga ang pagmamahal ng mga anak ng Mrs. Virginia para sa kanya. Please join me in giving a big round of applause to Mrs. Evelyn Onay, the daughter-in-law, as she shares her special message.
Ang happy 18th birthday po. Salamat po sa mula noon. Hanggang po ngayon. Talaga po napakabait niyo po sa amin. Sana po,
Asan yung wire ko?
hanggang pa po
Yung wire.
may pa po na.
Ay, kailangan po.
Ay pa, gaganyan ko to dito.
Yung itim na charger.
Yung puti, yung pang pang type C.
At maraming
Ano
salamat.
ba ito? Hindi mo kasi dyan.
Doon sa bag, sa may karton, sa may bag ko, ando nakapang ko sa may
now, we'd like to request Miss Rizy Unay, the beloved grandchild, to this tribute. Ano yung masusugat? Grabe. Ako nasiod siya.
Okay lang yan. And now, we call on Miss Jaisal Onay, the cherished grandchild, for her meaningful message.
Honoring the spotlight, Mr. John Ian Unay. Ready po? And
Following the watch, please welcome Roel J. Onay to continue the love.
okay, next up we have Mr. Jared Unay to deliver his message.
his message.
Kasunod ka na dyan, Rin, ni Kuya Piyay. Kasunod ka na ni Kuya Piyay. Ay, nandito sila tayo natin. Sabi ko, sabi natin na.
I'd like to request Mr. Justin, John Ray Ona.
Tara, Lilin, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mom. And now let's have Mr. Justin Olay for his message.
Ito din sana. Video pala. Video, ano yan? Ano yan? Live video.
Video lang.
So honoring with her spotlight, I would like to
Para
request
ma-send ko sa inyo.
Mrs. Alfreda Diaz for some message. Oh, si Justin muna. Sorry po. And now, honoring with the spotlight, I would like to request Mrs. Alfreda Diaz for her message.
Happy birthday, ha?
Ayaw na.
Yan na, tagal-tagal oras si Manay Dedeng para sa kanyang mensahe.
I would like to request Mrs. Edelinda Dorol for her message.
Yeah.
Happy birthday na Indian! Para nga mga kasi alawin ka kinabuhay at kaupat ka ng pero salamat sa pagbuutan mo ang tito. Happy birthday!
And now, let's have Mrs. Elena Patino for her message.
Telekas to.
Happy birthday!
Now, I would like to request Mrs. Elsie Anino.
Happy birthday. Parang kasi open ang barlaw. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
With great pleasure, please welcome J.R. Flores to the stage for his message.
Hi, happy birthday. Wish you more birthday songs. Thank you so much for the love and support. I love you so. We love you so.
Thank you so much. I would like to request Mr. Ronald Baha for his message. Hi, happy birthday. I love you. Thank you so much. I'm sweet. Short but sweet.
Yes. We now call on Rose Unay, the cherished daughter, for her meaningful message.
Again, I would like to request
Ando sa loob.
Alam mo yan. Yun lang. Love you, Nay. Happy birthday.
Thank you for those beautiful words. Let us give a round of applause for Miss Sally Unay for her heartfelt message.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday. Ang gusto ko sana, sama ka namin ng matagal na buhay pa na bigyan ka pa ng lakas sa pagkatawan. At alam mo na yan. Alam mo na yung mahal ka na.
And now, it's your time. Please welcome Mr. Ray Unay.
Mga pagpapatagan pa sila ng Lord. Lord. Maraming salamat.
Now, it is your time. Let us all welcome Mr. Gaspar Unay for his message. Wow!
Grabe, ang ganda naman yan.
Again, I would like to request Mr. Gaspar Unay for his message.
Ay, happy birthday. Sana ang harap ang buhay mo.
Thank you so much.
Let's now have Mr. Roger Unay for his message.
Tuloy ako naiyak sa inyo ah.
Now, I would like to request Mr. Michael De Roma for his message.
Ano ba ako?
Lunay, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay para makasama. Happy birthday, Ray.
Honoring him with spotlight, I would like to request Mr. Marlon Unay for his message.
Si Emily, hain. Day. Day. Si Emily.
Grabe, ang sweet ng lahat. Ang ganda ng bouquet!
Sa tapos na to.
The last but not the least, let us all welcome Mr. Robert Unay.
Happy birthday na si Mr. Robert. Si Mano na, siya na ako. No? like to request Mr. Joey Borondo for his message.
Ay, happy birthday po. Napasama niyo po ni Vivian. Happy birthday po sa inyo.
Nakakaantig ng puso, ang daming naiyak kasi grabe talaga ang pasasalamat nila para kay Nanay Virginia. At this juncture, we would like to request everyone to please rise and sing a happy birthday to our celebrant as she blows her candle.
I would like to request
Please stand.
Jadi ka nalikuran, tanggal na doon.
everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Happy birthday!
And now, at this moment, I would like to request Miss Sally Duruha, Mrs. Rose Duruha for an intermission number. Tapos ano, may makita na pala yung kanta mo kanina. Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, before we finish our program, we would like to invite our special birthday celebrant to share a few words with us. Let's give her a big round of applause and she give her message. Please listen and enjoy her message. Please welcome Mrs. Virginia Unay.
Lugos ka na. Yan lang, yan ka na.
Salamat mo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Marlon. Virgin. Virgin. Michael. Sa mga bisita natin. Salamat.
Wow, thank you so much. Oh, meron tayo special guest ngayon. Message ko. Oh, tapos na siya mag-message.
Pasensya na kang medyo nguyit-nguyit na kay ito na one of my stroke. Happy birthday, Virginia. Maulay ni hindi kami ang aduha magpatag. Para nagit kami iba. kami magpatay, marami kami na ano pa, maupay din kami sinisita kami sa grade 1. Magpatay na sa ibang magpatay na inaragway kami dili kami. Magsangkay doon lang kami pirme, natanan na oras na gabi. Kami doon na sinag-ubay-ubay. Yung magsam na ulitaw, karuyag na si Inday na dili sa kamarang ito, mawasa.
And now, that's the end of our program. Thank you so much everyone for listening. Now let's go. Okay, pwede nyo na ako kumain ng lahat. Mag-start po tayo muna sa mga matatanda, follow by okay na po. Thank you so much everyone. Pwede na po ako kumaon. Mga matatanda po na, para medyo mga
Hi vlog! Joey boy!
Live yan?
Video lang yan. Para hindi mawala.
Kaya namin. Ayaw kami na dito.
Kasi malingkay sayo kami po na ako. Oo nga. Pili.
Kami na, sama-sama kami. Bagay pag-isip, mamaya naman daw.
Kasi sama yung araw. Nawala.